Well, here I am, checked in at Perth International Airport on the way to England. I've got 18.5 hours, 2 flights to go. It's going to be a long old time, I guess, but all checked in, dropped my bags. All I've got to do now is head through security. That's going to be it. Sit there and wait for another 2-3 hours and get on a plane. Let's get through security, get on with it. And I guess the next stop after that is going to be Doha. Here we are, security. There we go, easy, straight through. They were a bit temperamental on my toothpaste, but was under 100 mil, so happy days. So it's 6:30 now and the flight's at 9:50. So still got ages to go, but they want you here 4 hours before for some unknown reason. Gotta do it, so I guess we're gonna sit around and wait. Have a look at all these little shops in here, duty free.
Passengers are reminded to report suspicious items and behaviour to airport staff.
So I've managed to find gate 50, so I know where I'm going. Got to board the plane 8:30, which is still another couple of hours to go. So I guess we'll relax, try and find a beer and sit down and wait. No real point buying any duty free as it's just still way too expensive. And I am heading to Doha, so hopefully it's going to be a little bit cheaper. Now saying that, I couldn't resist getting a little Christmas koala, which is Australian made, which you don't see too often, but it's for Sorcha's little niece, so hopefully she's going to enjoy that. It definitely wasn't cheap. Thank you.
What can I do, Miss Helmet?
Thank you. Well, just come through the transfer of Doha, and this is it. This is apparently the world's best airport. Not too sure who it's been voted by, but I'll go with that, the world's best airport. But it is 5:30 in the morning. We've got another couple of hours before we find out what gate I've got to get to for Heathrow. So I guess we'll have a look around the world's best airport, see what we can see. You can already tell everything's football themed, as they are hosting the World Cup, Qatar here. So 5:30 now, and we are here, London Heathrow, info at 5:40. So no idea what gate, we'll just keep looking around. And get all these strange looks as well, because I'm holding a camera around here, waving around and filming myself. So not too sure what's going on there, but it is a big piece of art, apparently.
Oh, yeah, they're very thick.
Well, that was a short little look around here at the airport. World's best airport, apparently. It's bloody big, I'll put it that way. It's huge, this airport, and sort of very much gold everywhere. Which is, I guess, how they live over here. They love their gold, so good on them. But let's get to A5 and I guess kick back and wait. And I will say as well that there's a huge, I guess, presence of soccer gear and football gear because they are hosting the World Cup. Everywhere you look, there's soccer, football gear. But that's it, I guess. We'll get to A5 is where I'm heading out of, and this is a much shorter flight, so 7 hours this time. But this airport is huge, bloody big, this airport. And I'm guessing they play, well, when the football matches are on, they play them on these screens, which are sort of everywhere. These little things are around everywhere here. So I don't know if you can see straight through there, the sun has just come up. But we're here at A5, so I guess we'll get checked in and it's our last little leg.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
70k.
Well, I'm here through immigration, and that is so much easier since I've left Brexit. It used to be an all manual system, but now it's just put your passport in it straight through for UK and I guess Commonwealth countries. But anyway.
Waiting for the bag and we're going to head straight out of here. I can already tell you it's freezing cold.
And the pilot did say it was 3 degrees, so.
Text it, so.
Righto, after almost 30 hours of travelling.
He's here.
Yeah.
Here at the front of home.
And this is going to be home for the next...
Near on a month, isn't it? Something like that. But I think that's going to do for this video. We're in England, it's nice and cold. It's alright.
Like minus, I think it's minus by now.
Freezing, that's what it is. But anyway, that's going to do us for this video. I guess we'll pick it up on the next one. I've got no idea what we're going to be filming, what we're going to be doing, but it's going to be cold. Anyway, cheers for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Are you joking? Are you joking?
This has happened like in the space of what? Hour?
An hour, yeah.
What's all down my neck? It's freezing. Things that you make me do.
Go on then, quickly.
Oh, it's so cold.
That looks so cool.
I hasn't got my head in it.
Yeah, because you didn't lay flat. Oh, look at your jacket. Should we go in?
It's freezing. Let's go.